Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sandor Bushi, the chairperson of the Student Rights Committee, FALAS, Federation of African Law Students.
Right and responsibility aspire for collaboration and enhancement of students' rights in Ethiopia's higher education.
Administration, because there is no space for to come and express their objectives, why they need a student union and a student council.
I think in our classes, since there is diversity in cultures, religions, and things like that,
campus, there's no rules. Rules are imposed on you without any valid reason or any valid circumstance.
I don't think they could actually be easy for them to navigate it.
The university clinic is good, and I have been to eat several times. Attention they give.
I respect a lot of professionals here in Addis Ababa University. They're really amazing. The teachers are really good.
Hello everyone, my name is Yerosan Deresa. I'm a fourth-year law student at Addis Ababa University in Ethiopia. I'm currently serving as a country ambassador for Ethiopia FALAS Students' Rights Committee.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophonias Kasa. I'm a student at Addis Ababa University, currently attending fourth-year law school. And I'm currently serving as a deputy country ambassador of Ethiopia for Student Committee of FALAS.
Hello, I'm Zagerida Mulgeta, a third-year law student at Addis Ababa University, and I'm currently serving as a deputy country ambassador of the Students' Rights Committee of FALAS.
This is our first national project which introduced the status of students' rights in Ethiopia. Our project has two components. The first one is this video which introduces the status of students' rights. And the second one is a Google form questionnaires, which is administered through a Google. These projects aim to raising the awareness of students and to understand whether students are aware of their right and responsibility. We aspire for a collaboration and enhancement of students' rights in Ethiopia's higher educations. Hopefully, this presentation will help us a lot.
My name is Magod Joseph Chol. I'm a South Sudanese under a scholarship, under Ethiopian government scholarship.
My name is Nohamin Chernets. I am a second-year law student at Addis Ababa University. Basically, at the law school, I'm more of interested about women's rights and children's rights.
My name is Amin Binyam. I'm from Political Science and International Relations Department, second-year student.
My name is Heran Kflom, and I'm a second-year law school student. And I'm very passionate about international law, and I would like to be an animal activist when I grow up.
Since I came, I have been participating in elections, especially the voting, but I have never attended a rally whereby I will choose a leader that I have listened to, whether that person is going to present my views or not. So I have been actually voting, but I have never listened to the campaigns of those who want to lead me. So whether it represents my voice or administration, I don't know. But because there is no space for young people to come and express their objectives, why they need a student union and a student council, it has been hard for many of us to make sure that we select a leader that actually truly coming to achieve our aspirations. So for that case, I don't think whether they are working under administration or they are doing our voice, but what I'm sure is that many of them are not up to our aspiration because there is no space they come and express what they wanted to do to us. So we just vote because so and so come to you and say, you vote for me. So for that, I am not 100% sure whether they are after my voice or they are not. But because we don't directly engage, we have an issue in that matter.
No. If I were to violate any rules or if I was accused of violating any rules today, I will not be able to get a fair hearing because personally in this campus or around here, there is no rules or the rules are imposed on you without any valid reason or any valid circumstances.
In my personal opinion, I don't think they could actually. It could be easy for them to navigate it because there are some places which are ramped, and those, for example, like impairments in the eye, they couldn't be easily be going to the places where they want to be going. So yeah, I don't think it's very good.
We had like introduction for the code, like based on like an orientation, but having a digital copy or an actual copy of it, we actually didn't have that.
Well, the university clinic is good, and I have been to it several times, and the attention they give and the treatment they give, I think is okay. The only issue I often face is the issue of medicine. Sometimes they may not have medication, so they send you outside to go and buy. And that one actually, it is disturbing most of us because we expected that you will get all the medicine that you get in the university clinic. But unless it is a serious matter, we are transferred to other specialized hospitals.
If a student actually joined my class with a physical disability, no, I will say no, because as someone who has friends with a physical disability, most of the time they face problems with class schedules or class changes in the middle of the day, as well as some of the classes not being accessible to people who are not easily able to find these classes or have a physical disability by themselves.
Yes, unfortunately, yes. And I wouldn't tell which person did it, but in my personal experience, I also experienced this. And I respect a lot of professionals here in Addis Ababa University. They're really amazing. The teachers are really good ethically, but some of them could, trash the name of this university by using this kind of absurd activity in order to fix someone's grade. And as a representative, when I was in freshman, I actually experienced some kind of cases like this, and I fought, and I told the department head, and they could result in some kind of punishment for that professional. And yeah.
On that question, I think in our classes, since there is diversity in like cultures, religions, and things like that, maybe I could feel a little less ashamed or a little less fearful for sharing my opinions to the students. Considering the grade part, teachers are more of open. The teachers that I had till now, the teachers that I had till now are more of open, and they actually give us the chance to talk about topics that are controversial out of the class topics, but sharing it with the students might get you judgments and things like that. So it's kind of half and half.
And we enjoy it, except some challenges, but we have been treated with dignity, and administration are friendly. The cafeterial services, we are given consideration, whether on variation of foods or whatever, we are given consideration, and generally speaking, we are given a service space, we are being listened to, and for that we are grateful. So there is no issue with being an international student. I would invite more students to come.
Yes, I do believe that there are some absurd and unfair laws in this campus, especially imposed on students, that are at some point some conservative types of laws, especially around clothing and around hairstyles. Recently, we have seen that there are some new laws imposed on students that state that girls should not leave their hair open, or they may tie it with the hair tie or things like that, as well as in relation to clothing and accessibility.
Yeah, as a law school student, we're really lucky because the law school actually has this opportunity for us to have a mentorship, and like second year and third year students have mentors from fourth graders and fifth graders, and it's really amazing. And I have a mentor personally, and she really helped me through all of my final exams. She's been sending me the past final exams for me to have some understanding of how the teacher gives question, and it's really good that this opportunity is available for every student, and I think it should also be available for any other departments other than law school too. Thank you.
If I have actually answered this question like 10 years before now or 5 years before now, maybe that answer would have been yes. But with the current situation in Ethiopia, I don't think I could feel safe around people that could have the potential to hurt me, or just because somebody's uniformed or something like that doesn't mean that they actually are there to protect me. They might be there to protect me. That's what they are standing for. There's some safety about it, but with the current situation in Ethiopia, it's a little bit of hard, like it has a little bit of hardship to accept that part on the safety, I think.